Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy Thanksgiving, and let's get started. Like the video if you love Bath & Body Works and scent reviews and hauls, and subscribe if you're new. If you do like and subscribe, thanks so much for doing so. Welcome back to my channel, and happy Thanksgiving again. Yes, Thanksgiving was so good. The meal was, honestly, I just slept in and then I had the meal, and it's been so great. But before I ate, I showered with Sweet Whiskey. So I'm gonna do this review for you guys and have it up right away. This is Sweet Whiskey, beautiful packaging. Yes, I use this much in one shower. That's how I use it up really fast. So anyway, you guys, this packaging is better in my opinion than the blue one. The blue one's pretty, that came out in the fall, but this one's better. So I'm gonna be hoarding this scent for the body care sales, which is gonna be in 2 weeks. 2 weekends from, I think 11th and 12th, there's gonna be a body care sale. All the body care in the store. But anyway, this is gonna be really good, so I'm gonna hoard this then. Okay, so keynotes are golden amber, vanilla infused whiskey, sweet apple, and blossom. Oh god, you guys. Okay, so this is like pretty much like Bonfire Bash, except it has that apple note to it, which I love. So it's like you're sipping an apple cider at the Bonfire Bash. The Bonfire Bash is a little bit strong. This isn't as strong, but it is pretty strong. So you get the Bonfire Bash body care, except not as much of the marshmallow note, a little bit less strong, intense, with that apple cider note. It's so nice. I guess it's better than Bonfire Bash. I still like Bonfire Bash, but this is a nice alternative. You get that apple with it mixed, and it's amazing. Oh my god. Love it. It's like the men's cologne with the Bonfire Bash, and then less marshmallow and then apple note. Oh, perfect. I'm gonna get so many of these. I'm gonna stock up on this in a few weeks for the Bonfire Bash, for the body care sale. So this is so pretty, and this packaging is gorgeous with the coral and the beautiful sparkly stars. So gorge, obsessed. So yeah. Shirts from Walmart, in case you're wondering, but over the summer. Okay, anyway, you guys, love it. This is such a pretty packaging. So is this Bonfire Bash repackaged? Kind of, but with an apple note. So I love it. If you love Bonfire Bash, you'll love this. If you think Bonfire Bash is a bit too strong, give this a try. It's a little bit less strong, which is good, a little bit less intense with that apple note. So all you apple lovers, I think will like this too. So yes, this is good for men and women. I think men will like this one too. It's sweet. Oh, I just can't stop smelling it. It smells so freaking good. Oh god, it's just so nice. You definitely get that strong apple note with it though as well. Okay, that's my review on Sweet Whiskey. I think it's 2 thumbs up. I recommend you get it. Wait for a shower gel sale or overall body care sale or a shower gel sale to get it though. Yeah. Because it's so good. I'm obsessed with this, you guys. There'll be a soap sale this weekend. I'll be there for that. Tomorrow, I'm going to be uploading my sweet sparkling sangria, whatever the heck, sweet peach sangria, whatever that one. That will be tomorrow's video, and then this weekend there'll be a huge soap haul from Bath & Body Works. Look out forward for that. Next week it'll be a Christmas home tour and empties. Look out for that as well, and more videos to come as well. If you haven't seen my other videos I posted 7 videos yesterday, so go check those out if you were busy with family over the last couple days. I posted 7 videos yesterday, and I posted more hauls earlier this week, so if you haven't been to the channel in a couple days, you missed a lot of videos, so go catch up now. Okay, you guys, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Sweet Whiskey is a go. I love it. Go get it. You will love it. Okay. Like up and subscribe if you do. Thank you so much for doing so. And I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, Serious and Thoughtless. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Subscribe. Bye, guys.